Hi, welcome back to March Madness. We are here for day 3. It is actually the 3rd of March, so I am on date today. The day 3 is called the rollover. The rollover is actually quite an advanced move. I'm surprised that it's at day 3, and in a class I will do lots of modifications to this when we're doing it, but I'll also do lots of warming up to it as well. It takes a lot of body muscles. But I've just finished instructing a class here at Katajini Park Hall, so I can pretty much get straight into it. So it's in the laying position, and our hands are down. So let me just get moving first. We take our feet up as best as we can for straight legs. We're taking our legs nice and long. We bring our legs up, pushing our hands right in to allow our body to come up and over. And this is a rollover. And then keeping our body quite close to our legs quite close to our body. Shoulders must stay down, legs stay long, and again. So legs up to the ceiling, push in with the hands, up and over with the body, toes to the ground. Your chin is on your chest here. On the way back, your shoulders must stay down. And I always say, keep the legs close to the body. You're able to roll that spine down better. And I'm going to do one more. Up, push, over, and back. And that is day 3, the Joseph Pilates rollover.